Hello, this is our fancy beeper with press button. It could match types of energizer. It could be used on electricity fans, contain steel wire, poly wire, and poly tape. You no need to contact the fancy wire. Just press button and hold it to the fence. It will make a sound if the fence has electric. The working distance is about 20 cm close to fence. It needs 3-volt button battery. You need to open the outer case and put the battery in it. Remember, when you put it, this face should be above. Press button.